Hi my YouTube family, this is Melody from Home Garden and Passion. I thank you so much for being here today. Today we're going to have a wonderful time together. Now I'm going to cook eggplant, and I cut the eggplants into the circle shape, and I have given like 1-inch thickness and added a little bit of salt and turmeric, and I've been soaking it for a little while. About a pinch of salt and a pinch of turmeric, just to coat it and give it a taste. And now I'm going to put it in 1 teaspoon oil and cook it. So I have added a teaspoon of oil in this pan, and I lay down all my eggplants, and I'm going to cover it in very low heat for 10 minutes and checking after 5 minutes and turn it to the other side. And this is how it's going to get cooked, and about 10 to 15 minutes it's going to be done. So it's cooked in very little amount of oil and with salt and a little bit of turmeric, and that's it. So you have to put the lid on it for 10 to 15 minutes and make sure you check it often. But lid has to be there, and the steam has to be very low, the flame, so that it's cooked in steam. So here's the eggplant cooked, and it's cooked in 1 teaspoon oil. Hi, thank you so much for being here today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share this video. Thank you. May God bless you all.